G'day, I'm Harry Bink and I do triple backflips on dirt bikes. Here I have my Revel Sauna and Ice Bath located here on my Gold Coast farm. I skip all the 1%ers when I didn't have these here because I had to go in town and things like that. Having them here at my home, I never skip a beat in my routine and I hit all my marks. What made me want to choose Revel and what stood out to me? All the coolest dudes that I follow on Instagram and athletes, influencers, whatever, I just seen them all posting about the equipment and how good it is. I reached out to the team and we managed to make it happen and delivering it out here, all those things. They made it so easy for me to get it in this unique location.